Good morning, guys.
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ।
So it's 5 a.m. in the morning. We are at Barot Valley and we are searching a tea vendor for the tea and milk for kids. See, everything is closed. Clouds are there. Totally peace.
ਦੋਨੋਂ ਸਕਾਰਪੀਓਜ਼ ਆ ਰਹੇ
Two Scorpios. Every hotel is packed and still closed because everyone wakes up at 8 a.m. in the morning maximum here. But we, since are volleyball players, so we wake up at 5 a.m. and step into the roads of Barot. You can see the nature. It's really awesome. The water flow is very high, so dam gates are open. See the beauty of the Barot Valley.